Manipur gi law and order situation amaram oraga National Highway 2 amadi National Highway 37 da thabak ningthina suba ngamdabani problem sing loisilabadi quality Leiba Lambi Piba Ngamgani haina Union Minister Nitin Gadkari na fongdokkhre ngasi Parliament ki Rajya Sabha gi mifam da Manipur gi Rajya Sabha gi MP Laisema sana zawuna hangkiba wahangda Manipur gi NH2 Imphal Dimapur amadi NH37 Imphal Libam Lambi semliba asi yamna tapi amadi pibam yamna phatte Ministry na Lambi sembagi thabak asi thujina bahona biu haiki Union Minister Nitin Gadkari na paukhum piraduna Manipur gi law and order si yamna phatabadagi lambi gi thabak suba asida thintahan mane contractors sing su sel mangba yaure maruina land compensation law and order ki issue sing loisina ba special mifam amasu chief minister amadi mahake officer singa phamduna pangthokrai MP amadi Manipur lengang na issue sing asi loisilabadi quality leiba national highway piba ngamgani haina fongdokhe
The ongoing construction works along the two national highways, that is National Highway 2, Imphal Dimapur Road, and the National Highway 37, Imphal Jiribam Road, very slow, and the present condition of the two national highways are pathetically bad. Sir, what step will be taken up by the ministry to expedite the ongoing construction work and improve the two national highways at the earliest?
Honorable Minister.
Honorable Sir, already works are awarded. But we are facing very crucial law and order problem in your state. The people are not allowing the contractors to work. I have a special meeting with your Honorable Chief Minister and your officers. Sir, we are really facing lot of problems. Some of the cases are there because of law and order situation. There was lot of crucial and very sensitive problem. I will request you personally, with the cooperation of Honorable Member of Parliament from Manipur and the Chief Minister and the State Administration, let us resolve the issue and allow us to work. And before that, we will take preventive measure that how we can maintain the road. But one thing where I need your cooperation, that how we can implement the contract, because contractors are facing big losses and therefore we are facing problem of compensation. So by your cooperation and the cooperation of administration, state administration, we will resolve the issue. Please cooperate us. We are very much committed to complete this project.